Are you a realtor struggling to make your listings stand out in a crowded market? Imagine this, a bright, sparkling home that leaves buyers in awe the moment they step through the door. TidyTex Home Cleaning is here to turn that dream into reality. As a proud retired Army veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we understand the importance of attention to detail, reliability, and hard work. Our professional cleaning services are specifically designed to help you prepare homes for sale, enhance property showings, and ultimately close deals faster than ever before. With quick turnarounds and a steadfast commitment to excellence, we ensure every corner shines before open houses or buyer visits. Plus, here's a valuable tidy tip for you. For little to no cost, open all the blinds and turn on lights before a showing. This simple trick makes the space feel more inviting and highlights the best features of the home, creating a warm atmosphere that buyers love. Don't let your listings fall flat. Elevate your real estate game with TidyTex. Let us be your secret weapon for success in this competitive market. For more details, check the video description and contact us today. We're excited to help you shine. Visit app.tidytex.us or call 210-951-8206.